This clip is about using a special little tool to help clean your teeth called a Floss Threader. Now, some people have difficult to get between places in their teeth, where teeth have been bonded together, for example, or where you may have a dental bridge. And a bridge here is where you have 3 or more teeth that are connected together. You've got the teeth under there, but they're missing one in the middle. So they're all bonded together and they're glued on there, and that's a permanent restoration. You can't take it off to clean under that space between those 2 teeth. Very important to clean under there, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing I'd like to show you here is called a Floss Threader. It's a little piece of stiff nylon, kind of like fishing line almost. And what you do with that, you take your floss and you just stick it through there, leaving some hanging out on both sides. Now with that Floss Threader then, you thread right behind the post on that bridge. You poke that through so it's coming through the other side. And you pull that through, and you hold one side of your floss, and then pull the other side through. So voila, there's your floss all the way through underneath that spot that you couldn't get under before. Now you take your floss and you just move it back and forth all the way underneath that area there. Show you here. And that goes down underneath the gums. My model's a little tight, but I'll show you here. It's all the way down underneath the gums and up the other side. Then when you're done, you just pull the floss out. So that's how you use a Floss Threader to clean under a bridge. Now there's one other variation on this theme here. It's called Super Floss, and you can buy these at pretty much any drugstore around. So just go take a look. Super Floss has a section here of thick ropey type floss. You pull it and it gets tight and gets skinnier, and you let it go, and it's kind of like a sponge almost. At the end of that is a piece of that stiff nylon. So you use that stiff nylon there, poke it underneath that bridge again, same as before. You pull it through, and then you use that good thick part of that floss to clean down underneath that bridge, and of course getting along those teeth that are used to support that bridge. If you lose one of those teeth, you lose the whole kit and caboodle. So you want to make sure and floss that area really good. Now, the good thing about the Super Floss is the rest of that piece of floss is all just pretty regular floss that you can use for flossing everywhere else in your mouth. So just go ahead and use that and get everywhere else in between all those teeth.